Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get a referral code on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the menu, look for an option called Invite Friends and tap on it. You will now see a list of your contacts. From here, you can directly share your referral link with any of your contacts by selecting their name. If you want to share your referral link or code with someone outside of your contact list, look for the share icon in the top right corner of this screen. Tap on it and then choose the copy option to copy your referral link. Once you've copied the referral link, you can paste it anywhere you'd like. For example, you can open your browser, paste the text you just copied, and see the full referral link along with your unique referral code at the end. If needed, you can delete any extra text from the link and keep only the referral code and link. You can now share this link with your friends, include it in a video, or post it on social media. When someone signs up for Cash App using your referral link and starts using the app, you'll receive a bonus, typically $5. That's it. That's how you can solve how to get a referral code on Cash App. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.